Well, if you haven't noticed by now, I was having some issues with my audio. This was the first fish of the day. It was an 11-incher. I'm just going to talk a little bit and just turn some music on for you to listen to while you watch me fish the Melvern Lake tournament.
Can Tony Boyden come up?
Of course.
Oh, you suck, dude.
Who's gonna run your camera?
Man, if that's not cheap. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Mr.
Okay. So just go down the list. Tell us, you know, what did you do for pre-fishing? What baits were you using? Just kind of, you know, teach to, you know, somebody else who wasn't here maybe. What's going on?
Well, I didn't really pre-fish. I pre-fished a
You
little
got
bit.
good louder.
I pre-fished Wednesday and I pre-fished on Monday for a couple hours after work. Didn't get a pre-fish yesterday, so I was just trying to. Thank you very much.
Wow.
I was just trying to do what I did a couple years ago.
Did you go to the exact same spot and just sit there all day?
I did.
Huh.
Last year I didn't, so this year I was like, I'm doing that. And did the exact same thing I did 2 years ago and threw a Ned Rig pretty much all day. Tried some other things, nothing really worked but that. And so I just stuck with it. So that's pretty much what I did. So good job.
Great job. Yeah, good job, man.
And in fourth place with 79.5 inches, taking home $120, Tony Boyden.
Is there money from Melvern in that?
Not in that one.
Not in that one, okay.